Okay, this is Mrs. Monroe's third grade class, and we're working on 9-6 today. We are estimating and subtracting. So this is page 507 for you at home. You need to do 7 and 8 on your own once the video is over, and submit. Okay, so we're going to start with 2 and 3. It says in 2 and 3 subtract. So we're just doing our regular subtracting. This is helping us to regroup again, okay? So we haven't done it in a while. So if I have $4, can you take 6 away from that?
No.
No. But look over here. I got a big pile of 10s.
Yeah.
Okay? So I can take from this pile of 10s over here. Okay? How many ones are in a $10 bill? How many, class? 10, right? So I can take one of these $10 bills, let's say it's money, that makes it easier, and move it over here. If I have a $10 bill and 4 ones, how much do I got?
14.
14. Now I can subtract at least the ones, right? So 14 minus 6. Anybody? Luke?
8.
8. Luke's a ventriloquist. Can I take 70 from 60?
No.
No. But look, I got a big pile of I got a big pile of hundreds. I got 3 hundreds over here. How many $10 bills make 100?
10.
10, right? So if I take one of these hundreds away, I now have 2 of them, and I take those $10 bills and put them over here. I had 6, now I have 16. 16 minus 7 is?
9.
9. And 2 minus 1, class?
1.
1, so I have 198. All right? I know that's still kind of hard on us to regroup, but we're getting it. All right, let's go ahead for number 3. So ready? Because when we get down here to number 4, it's going to get a little more complicated. Okay, number 3. I have a 6 in my ones place, a 5 in the tens, and an 8 in the hundreds. Okay, so down here I have a 9 in my ones place. I have a 6 up here. Can I take 9 ones from 6 ones?
No.
No, I got to go next door to my pile of 10s. I'm going to bring 10 ones back. So 6 plus 10 ones is 16. 16 minus 9, class?
7.
Ooh.
5.
What do we
7.
take? 7. There we go. Maybe we should go back to hand raising. Okay, now I have 4 10s. I'm taking 1 away. What do I got, class? 4 minus 1?
3.
And 8 minus 2, class?
6.
Nice. Okay, so that was our warm-up. Pop our knuckles a little bit, right?
Hey,
We're ready.
Don't pop them.
Don't actually pop them, just stretch them out. Right? Okay, we don't want to hear that. All right, so this just says subtract. Now we got a whole bunch of directions down here. And 4 through 11, estimate by rounding to the nearest 10. Then find each difference. What does it mean if I'm finding the difference? What do I have to do? Kent?
Subtract.
I gotta subtract. Check answers for reasonableness. So I got 3 things I gotta do here. So if something's reasonable, what am I doing?
Checking to make sure if it's close.
Yeah, we're seeing if it's close. Like, could that be? Are you sure? All right, so the first thing I have to do is round to the nearest 10. So that means we gotta round the minuend and the subtractive. Remember, minuend's your first number on top, subtractant is the one on the bottom. Okay, so I'm rounding by 10. So I have 431, right? I want to keep the 400. I don't want to throw that out the window, so I'm gonna put the 4 over there. Then I'm gonna look at my 10 spot. You with me back there?
Yep.
400, put your finger on the 10s. Okay, so that way I know you're with me. Now draw your little arrow over. Is that more than 5?
No.
Is it 5 itself? No, it's less. So we're going to keep the 3. So I've got 430. Okay, let's go to the next number. I want to keep the 100. The only reason I wouldn't keep the 100 is if I looked over here and it was a 9. So I am looking over there before I say that. Okay, now I'm going to look at the 10s. 1s, 10s, 100s. The 1 in the middle is a 10. I'm going to look next door. Can I make a $5 bill out of that?
Yes.
So that means we got to go up 10.
450.
So it's now 450. And I'm subtracting.
150. 150. You said 450.
I did, but I lied. 150. You with me?
52.
It's alright. I don't know what I was thinking. 0 minus 0 is?
0.
Uh-oh, can I do that?
No.
I can't take stuff from there. So I gotta go over to the hundreds and take one of these $100 bills. I'm gonna turn it into some tens. Now I have 10 $10 bills plus 3 $10 bills gives me 13. 13 minus 5 is
8.
and 3 minus 1 is
2.
2. Okay, if you use your pencil, you can erase your little arrows now. Okay. Ready? Okay. Can I do that? I can't, can I? I gotta go next door. I got 3 20s over here, so I got 3 20s. I got 3 10s over here. So I'm gonna take one of those 10s and make this 2, which is 20. And bring the 10 over here. So now I have 11 here. Now can I do it?
Yes.
11 minus 5 is
8. 6.
6. And then, can I do this?
No.
Oh, I gotta go next door again. Go to my pile of hundreds over here, make that a 3. Bring 10 10s back. 12 minus 4,
8.
3 minus 1, 2. Is 286 reasonable? Is that close to 280?
Yes.
Yeah. So we're gonna put yes. Or we're gonna put reasonable. Okay? And if you're ever just doing the worksheet and you want to put R there, you can. Okay, I don't care either way. All right. So, all 3 steps. We're gonna go ahead and flip to the back here in a minute. Go ahead for me though. Circle 7 and circle 8, because after the video, you're gonna come out and do those on your own.
Did the video end? No.
We're gonna try to get it done before we go to Stay with me. Okay, so now we're talking about baskets. We're on 14 on the back, number 14 on the back. Says the world's largest basket is 186 feet tall from the base to the top. Okay. The top of the handles. What is the height of the handles? Okay. This to me kind of looks like a bar diagram on its side. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw our own bar diagram up here, okay? So the total height of the basket is what? 186 feet. I can look at this and tell you from the bottom to the top of the basket part is 103 feet, right? And then we don't know that yet. How can we find that? Tyson?
You subtract 103 feet minus, you subtract 103 feet from 186.
That's right, exactly. So we're going to subtract it. So just stack it over here. Okay, this one's pretty easy too. We don't even have to regroup anything. So 6 minus 3 is 8 minus 0 and 0. So my answer for this is 83 what?
Feet.
What is the height of the handles? That was pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're going to do higher order thinking. Remember, higher order thinking always has like a mystery question or something we have to do before we can actually answer the actual question. Okay? So let's get reading because we got a chart and everything. How many more swimmers? So I think we're going to be talking about swimmers. What do you think? I'm going to circle it so when I get to the end I know what my label should be. I'd circle it too if I were you. Signed up for this first session at Oak Pool. I'm going to double line Oak because I've read this before. Then the first and second sessions at Park Pool combined. So how many more swimmers signed up for the first session at Oak Pool than the first and second session at Park Pool combined? So when it says combine, what's that usually mean?
Add.
For real? Huh?
Yes.
That's right. Write an equation that represents the problem and includes a solution. So not only do I have to solve it, I have to have an equation with a solution, okay? So that means I gotta have it written out like a sentence with the equal sign. Okay, so I'm probably gonna have to add some stuff for that mystery question, right? What do you think we're adding? Heavenly?
The first and second session at Park Pool.
Perfect. So I go over here, if I'm park, pool, first and second, so here's my two numbers, 314 plus 179. I'm just gonna put park up here so I don't forget. Okay? So 9 plus 4,
13.
my 3 down, carry my 1, 1, 2 plus 7,
9.
3 plus 1,
4.
400, and 9, 3 what?
Swimmers.
See how it's nice to have that circled up there? Am I done?
Yeah.
No, we didn't answer the question, did we? It says right in before that it says how many more swimmers signed up for session 1 at Oak Pool than at 1 and 2 session at Park Pool. So we just found out how many were at Park Pool. So now what we got to do? Do the actual question, Drill.
How many more in the first and second?
Close. We got to look at Oak Pool.
First and second session?
No, we got to look at Lindy.
Subtract 493 from 760.
Right, so we gotta look at Oak and see what they were the first session, which was 763. And we're gonna subtract this down here. It's okay. I appreciate you guys keep trying though, okay? Okay, so let's go ahead and subtract. 3 minus 3 is 0. Can I do this? No, I gotta go over and regroup. This becomes a 6. Bring a 10 back over. This becomes 16. 16 minus 9. 4 minus 6?
3. 2.
2. 270 what? Remember, have I answered it now? Close, right? I got the question answered. Am I done? No, because now I got to put this like an equation form, so. Good. We got one more. I think we're gonna make. These are the words, but it's. Oh, everybody get down, what they need down for their example? Okay, remember, when you're doing solve this, you can always come back and look at that. That's not cheating if you need to look and see how we solved it before, okay? I'm kind of doing these for our own little notes. We good now? Hurry up, we gotta move on. We got specials.
Things 10.
We got one more to do. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and read it underneath the stuff while you guys are finishing. It says, Mr. Johnson drove his car 237 miles, right? Is it 7?
231 miles.
Oh, 231 miles. Sorry, I got that's 270. 231 miles. So you guys should underline 231 and circle miles. Okay? On Monday. You good?
Do we underline on Monday?
On Monday. Hold on. Yeah, underline Monday. After 5 days, you don't have to circle days. We're not going to use that word. After 5 days, he had driven 729 miles. Complete the problem to show how many miles Mr. Johnson drove his car from Tuesday through Friday. Show regrouping if necessary. Well, the first thing you need to know is how many days there are, right? Because you drove it after 5, but you really got to know Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, right? So that's all there was, though. So for those 5 days, he drove it 729 miles, right? Right? They don't want to know about Monday, though. They just want to know from Tuesday through Friday. How can we find that? Bria?
Like 729 and subtract
Yeah, we're gonna just take off Monday, right? Because it tells us the whole week. So you had to know that Monday was part of that whole week, okay? So 729 is already over there, and we're gonna subtract Monday. Okay? So 9 minus 1 is 8. I can't do this. Can't take 3 from 2, I go next door. It becomes 6. I'm adding 10, so this becomes a 12. 12 minus 3? 9. And 6 minus 2? 4. So 498 what? Miles.
You just put M.
You put MI. Okay. If you're at home, remember you got some on the front to do. You want to tell them bye?
Bye.